Welcome. This is Jacob here. I'm an immigration attorney here in San Diego, California. And I just wanted to do this quick live to give you an update about a few things. A lot of you are asking me questions about the interview waivers. And we posted quite a few videos on that. And those of you that are going to join and watch this on replay, you're going to see that I will post here. I'm going to post here um, a clip from one of my clients, somebody who actually emailed me letting me know about the continuation of interview waivers. So we talked about before that interviews are being waived. I just want to give a quick update on what's going on over there. And also yesterday, I posted a video about the new Workforce Healthcare Resilience Act. And so we have a lot of questions about that. So I'll just touch a little bit about this. But those of you that are joining now, this is just going to be a quick live. I'm going to literally take about 15 minutes to give you a quick update on what's happening, and we'll go from there. So let's start with interview waivers, because I know many of you are asking about this. And so this is basically what I received today. I received an email today from, and you can read this email. This is from somebody that saw my blogs, and in addition to what our clients are reporting, specifically the person says, thanks for the information. I just received my green card after my interview was canceled in April, employment-based, and this person is from Seattle. So just to give you an update, those things are happening both on the East Coast, and a lot of it is happening on the West Coast for some reason. So we have a lot of cases that are coming in from California, from we have Nevada. And as you can see, this one is a Seattle case. And literally the way it happens is that interviews are being canceled, right? Interviews being canceled in March, in April, and people are getting notices, essentially just getting their green cards in the mail, just like this. Another thing that is happening is that interviews are canceled, and then you check your case status online, and then it shows that green card is being produced. So those are the two ways that we've seen. So any of you that are watching this right now, let me know in the comments if you have experienced cancellation of your interview, if you have experienced a reschedule, and because I want to collect more of those. I want to collect more of these evidences, because as of now there is no clear policy yet from USCIS as to the fact that they are canceling those interviews. But as you can see, things are actually happening. People are getting their green cards without interviews. Again, most of those cases, in fact all of them, they are employment-based cases. I've only reported 3 cases that were family-based cases. So again, once again, post them in the comments below. I know there's quite a few people that have issues with the interviews were canceled and they don't know what to do. So I'll post a link in this video about a consultation link with me, and you'll be able to talk to me personally, and we can strategize the case. Also, I've been posting a lot of updates in our private Facebook group. So once again, I'll post a link for the group, and then I usually post an update in the group first before I do a live. So if you want to be in the know, go in the group, and I want to see you there as well so we can discuss it further, because I'm telling you, things are changing every day, and I'm trying to collect that information. So those of you that joined right now, I want to show you again. So this is another email that I got this morning from a client who basically showed me that his green card was rescheduled from April, and now he got his green card today. This was an employment based from Seattle. So this is happening, and we are reporting it here. So I'm going to be doing those lives pretty much every week, and I'm going to update you. Another thing that happened today is that, just announced on the immigration website, is that USCIS extends flexibility for responding for requests for evidence, requests for intent to deny, N14 forms, requests for more evidence on citizenship, and also motions to deny. So the way it works, if you received your request for evidence between March 1st and July 1st, meaning that you have to respond by July 1st, you have 60 more days to either respond or work on the application. For example, if your decision was made between March and July, you also have 60 days to file an appeal, a form I-290. And again, this is because in the beginning when they released the first notice in March, it was a bit confusing. It just said that only cases that were received between March and May. But this update that came today from USCIS, so if you go on the USCIS website, it's the first update that is over there, and I'm going to link it also in the comments of this, in the description of this video. And so the idea is that they are making it much easier for people to respond to requests for evidence and also for appeals. So let's say if your case has been denied or if a request for evidence between March 1st and July 1st, which is the deadline you have to respond, you're going to have 60 more days to respond to your request for evidence. Or if your case was denied during this period of time, you're going to have 60 more days to file a motion to reopen. This is really important because many of you are stuck at home. You cannot go to the court or whenever you need to get your evidence to the tax, IRS, and whatever you have to go. And so they have extended that, which is amazing. So these are amazing news. Again, I will post some more examples in our private Facebook group about people that are having interviews being rescheduled. One of the ways I know about it is because we have almost 3,000 members in that group. And so their members are posting information. So this person that I just showed you, he was a member of my group and he sent an email. So if you want to join the group, there's a link at the description of this video. Join the group so we can continue the discussion. You can share information. If you have your interview waived and you receive your green card, make sure you join the group and you let us know that it happened so we can all share the information. And also, if you have a particular issue with your case, you can schedule a consultation with me and we can discuss it. But that's huge because the more interviews are being waived, the more the pipeline is going to continue, and we're going to make it easier for people to get their interviews set up after this USCIS is going to open on June 4th. It looks like they're trying to clear the pipeline and have more interviews being rescheduled. So this is amazing news, and I'm trying to keep track of it. I'm having people email me from YouTube, like you guys are watching right now. If you're here for the first time, by the way, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I do videos every single week, and this week we're going to do more than 3 videos. So make sure you subscribe to our channel, share this with a friend, and join our Facebook group where we can also share that information, and also our members can let me know if their interviews are being waived so I can pass that information along to you. And then, once again, the final thing I want to give an update is what I mentioned yesterday, the Relief Act for nurses and doctors. This is something that we're getting a lot of questions about. And again, this is just a proposed bill. This is not a law that has passed yet, and it's going to pass. And we're going to, again, I'll keep you posted and I'll let you know. And hopefully it will pass in about 45 to 60 days. What it's going to do, it's going to eliminate the backlog of nurses and doctors. It's going to create an immediate option for them to come to the US without waiting for a visa number. And also, those doctors that are currently in the United States are going to be able to file for adjustment of status with an expedited process. This is something that has never happened in the history of immigration. For this kind of reform and for this kind of measure to happen for such a small group of immigrants, which obviously are much needed right now, which gives me a lot of hope that if they can do that for doctors and nurses, why can't they expand that to other classes of immigrants? So we'll see. So once again, just a quick video update about interview waivers. They continue to be waived, and we continue to collect examples of interviews that are being waived, and we'll continue to share that with you. Second of all, immigration is now extending flexibility for respond for evidence and also for motions to reopen. You have 60 more days to file if your cases were issued between March 1st and July 1st as far as either a denial or the request for evidence. And finally, an amazing update about the new bill for nurses and doctors. I'll keep you posted. Once again, I invite you to join my private Facebook group so we can continue to share the examples and our discussion. The link is in the description of this video. And once again, those of you that want to do consultations one-on-one with me, specific matters, we have a special rate for our YouTube viewers, especially the ones that go on live. And so just post a comment that you want that, and I'll share the link with you as a response to your comment. All right, thank you guys. Have an amazing one day. Just a quick live. I'm going to try to do these lives a few times a week. And welcome. I thank you for your support. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in our next video. And hopefully I'll be able to bring you even more better updates coming up soon. Thanks for watching, guys.